And we back, baby, with another cool video. Make sure y'all hit that Taco Bell sign, that notification button icon. Yes, sir. Y'all know what it is. All my long-time subscribers know what I'm talking about. Yeah, it's been a while since I said it. So hit that Taco Bell sign. Turn on them notifications, the notifications. You know what I'm talking about? Anyway, we gonna get this video started, baby. Anyway, y'all, we go. I mean, y'all see about the title and thumbnail. I don't know what I'm gonna call it yet, but anyway. So just in case I put it in the title and thumbnail, we're gonna go see what's wrong with my back passenger tire. I keep losing pressure in that tire. I keep putting air in it, and then of course in the morning it'd be cold, so like different temperatures and everything like that fluctuates the tire settings and all that crap. I don't listen. So we're gonna go get this tire checked out. I think it's a nail in it, so maybe that's why it keeps going up and down, because right now it's at 29 psi. Y'all can see that, you know what I'm saying? So it's at 29 psi right now. So and when I put air in it like 2 days ago, it was at, I told them to put it on 35. So, you know, like I said, it's been cold, so it doesn't help with it, especially if I have a nail in my tire. So we're gonna go get that checked out, but first we're gonna go pick up my oldest daughter, and so y'all gonna come with me, baby. Y'all gonna wait till she get in the car. She is, y'all. She ain't driving my car no more. Dang! What? What you doing? Put your seatbelt on. Now tell all your friends to check out the vlog.
I do.
Tell all your friends to check out the vlog because you're gonna be in it. Anyway, so like we started out at 29, y'all. So now we dropped down to 28, but you know it fluctuates, but it stays at 28. So we're gonna go see why it's not gonna pass 30. So definitely gonna get that checked out. You know, gotta get that nail up out of there if it's a nail in it. So stay tuned. Alright, y'all finna go to the little spot I be going to sometime, you know what I'm saying? Check your boy tires out. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. Yeah, I was just trying to see if it was like a nail in that tire or whatever. So I was just trying to see if you like y'all could check it or whatever. And put it right here. All right, for sure. I don't know, man. Might be a nail in there. Still some good tread on there too. What happened right there? Yeah. Oh, that's ugly. Y'all see that? Is that repairable or no?
I can put a plug in it. The tire's pretty worn out from one side already.
Yeah. For sure. What about this one? Was it that rock? That's a rock. Oh man, for sure. Yeah, can I patch that please? At least for now. Huh? Yeah, please, okay. Alright, for sure. Thank you, man. So there y'all have it, man. It's a nail in the tire. So that's why I keep losing pressure. So we're just gonna try to patch it real quick. And then eventually I'm gonna go get all new tires, man, because I've had those tires for over a year now and they barely starting to, you know what I'm saying, show wear. So, but it's all good though. So take care of your stuff, it lasts a while. So like I said, over a year since I had these tires. Since y'all seen the rim video, when I got my rims, like one of my first videos that I did on YouTube, that's how long it's been since, you know what I'm saying, I got my tire changed because, you know, I barely drive my car. So I take care of my stuff. So take care of your stuff, stuff lasts long, you know what I'm saying? But so I've been to Texas with those tires twice. And Sedona, been to Sedona, been to Tucson. So them tires, and they've been put to good use, but you know what I'm saying, they still good tires. Like as y'all seen, the tread is still good on them, but just a little bit of wear and tear on them. You know what I'm talking about? Anyway, but that's all good though. We gonna get that patched up and everything like that, and put the tire back on. All right, see you later. Thank you. Have a good day. All right. So it's all patched up and everything like that. So I don't know if y'all can see it, but the little patch, you know, they plugged it real quick. So, you know what I'm saying? So we back on, baby.
One eternity later.
All right, y'all. That's gonna be it for the end of this video. Make sure y'all tune in, like, subscribe, and comment. Hit that notification button icon. You know what I'm saying? Do the whole nine, boy. Support your boy, man. We out here grinding. We back on these vlogs. We back on everything. Stay up. Stay cool. Stay safe. Mask up. Ah!